Hey guys, we are back with another unboxing video. This time we are shooting from a place called Saattal. It's in a Hi again. Uh, we are back with another unboxing video. Uh, as you can see, this is not our usual setup. We're in a place called Naveen's Glen, in a beautiful city called, not city, but a place called Saattal. We will link it in the description if anybody wants to come here, check it out. You know, wonderful place, right? So great weather, sunny day, and what we have today is a smartphone gimbal. This is by DJI. It's called DJI Osmo Mobile 4. It's the fourth iteration. If you didn't guess it by now, what it does is basically it allows you to capture smooth video while you're on the go, right? So great for vlogging, great for some action shots. Um, so it's got some pretty nifty features. We'll try and do, best we can to kind of explain this to you so that you can make a very informed decision if you need it or not. Okay, that being said, let's get down to the unboxing. So, got this from Amazon. I don't really have a knife, so I'm just going to do my best to tear this packaging apart. And should work, hopefully. Doesn't really have an easy pull of a tab, but yeah, got it. So, pocket that away for now. Okay, so let's see. The box does feel premium, but then yeah, I mean, this isn't a cheap product by any stretch. It cost me about 11,800, and that's what the price keeps hovering at and about. So finally, we have a pull tab, and yep. Okay, so it's got a few accessories. In fact, let me, before unboxing it, just go through what all it comes with, right? So this has obviously got the gimbal itself. It's got a couple of magnetic clamps, right? One is a clamp that snaps onto the phone, and I'm guessing the other one, the ring holder, is one that sticks onto the phone. It's got a storage pouch, power cable, a wrist strap, the usual manual, and it's also got a grip tripod, right? So how that works is like a usual tripod. It just snaps onto the bottom of the gimbal, and you can place it and kind of use it as a tripod, right? And yeah, I think the same on the back. It's got a quick mount. It's portable. It's quite compact if you want to carry it. It's got active tracking and gesture controls as well, right? So we'll maybe do a review or a first impressions video in case you guys are interested. So just leave a comment down in the comment section. Okay, so finally, without delaying this, yeah, so a little bit more basic instructions and startup details. Create magnetic moments is what it says. Okay, I see how that makes sense. Okay, let's see what we have. This is the first section. We'll just quickly go through this. Guessing this is the storage pouch. This is a magnetic alignment guide. I'm guessing it's basically a plastic guideline or whatever you call it. Okay, this is that magnetic ring. I don't know how this works. I'm guessing there's some adhesive. Yep, there's a peel off sticker here, so if you want to stick it directly onto your phone, this comes in handy. Again, something I may not do, but just in case that's your thing. Okay, a couple of more stickers, I'm guessing, for this. Seems like the instruction manuals are something you will never ever use. At least I won't. Okay, this is the wrist strap. Okay, this is again self-explanatory. I think it's the tripod that will grip onto the main baby, which is this gimbal. So I'm not going to use it or move it. It's not powered up. Let me just try and do that. Yep, I think it's out of battery. No clue how to use it. First time ever I'm looking at this product, but this is pretty simple, right? You kind of snap this onto the bottom and you can keep it anywhere you want to use it as a traditional tripod. Of course, the added benefit is that This is called auto tracking. So if you're making a video, if you're on your own, it's going to help you, keep yourself or keep the subject at the center. Right? Yeah, so I think this is kind of how it moves. Your smartphone kind of snaps onto it. So even if you're moving, it's got a 3-axis, built, stabilization built into it. So it'll help you keep your video stable, right? So most smartphone cameras do come with, optical image stabilization nowadays, but this kind of, levels that up and, makes the video even more cinematic. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep it safely to the right. This is more of my thing. This is the, basically the clamp without any adhesive that you can put on your smartphone case or your smartphone itself, and then guessing it will go here. Yep, pretty strong magnet, and it's easy, right? I think the old models, all of them, none of them had this, right? They had more of a selfie stick mechanism, and for some reason I'm not able to align this properly. I'm pretty sure I'm doing this wrong. Okay, I think here it goes. Yep, that's how it kind of snaps on. So it's pretty strong, right? I actually have to use some force to take it off. So, safe to say that even a heavy smartphone with a bulky case is not going to just come off, right? So yeah, I like this. I think we have a USB-C charging cable, and that's pretty much it, right? So, and again, I think the quality is premium. The product itself feels quite premium if I hold it. So yeah, a little bit pricey. And again, right, if you're starting up, if you really don't want to shoot video on the go, you don't need this, right? And yeah, let me know what you think. That's basically it. And if you would like to see us do a first impressions video or a full review, please leave a comment down below.